myself, for you I do not know. I'm a stranger in your town, and everywhere I go, names are not important, so if it's the same to you, just shake the hand of a lonely man and call me Mr. Blue. I've had friends in days gone by, and love was mine as well, but that's a long sad story that I haven't time to tell. I won't be here tomorrow, for I'm just passing through. So shake the hand of a lonely man and call me Mr. Blue. If you're living while, my friend, then heed this sad advice. Love will leave you all alone, and you will pay the price. To those who are laughing, well, I've got news for you. Your time will come someday, someone will call you Mr. Blue.